This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable catering trays, specifically these CaterTech drink carriers and trays. You have two color options, the craft and green, which is a nice craft paper color with a bright little green pop of color on it as well, and then the white with brown for two fantastic neutral looks. The trays are 20 inches by 11 3/4 inch, and they have 3 1/4 inch of headroom on them. So they're a really nice size for catering things like breakfast spreads or lunches where you can really pack up a lot of small goods together, and then they're going to be easy to carry. The drink carriers are a really easy to assemble flat design that pops out and gives you two spaces to carry drinks or anything else you might need to stick in there to go with your little spreads, like say some sides or even some different deli spreads, jams, or other things as well. These are a fantastic option for on-the-go catering for both breakfast and lunches. They're perfect for holding breakfast pastries like bagels, muffins, croissants, or sandwiches and wraps. And you can add beverages like juice or iced tea or iced coffee. And it's just a really nice, neat presentation for those kinds of informal meetings, lunches, or breakfasts on the go. The trays feature handles for easy transport, and they have a grease-resistant lining to contain any kind of messy, saucy, or greasy foods or meals. These eco-friendly trays are made from recyclable paper, making cleanup just as easy as setup, especially for your customers. They're shipped flat to save space and easy to fold up when needed, and making them really convenient to use. They're perfect for a variety of different types of caterers, bakeries, and other food establishments.